EPD sets a new standard in work safety when using discs. The EPD disc is equipped with a clutch that prevents injuries caused by kickback and reduces the vibrations transferred to the user, thus lowering exposure to HAVS, hand-arm vibration syndrome, and significantly improves the cutting experience. When there is an overload on the disc, the clutch mechanism activates, separating the motor from the disc, thus preventing injury, disc explosion, or the disc from kicking back toward the user. The assembly of the EPD disc is the same as the assembly of any other disc. Please note that if you try to turn the disc by hand after tightening the nut, there may be some movement of the disc. This condition is normal and is caused because the clutch separates the disc from the motor. The use of the EPD is the same as with any other disc, and the cutting performance is of very high quality, identical to that of the familiar disc. If you experience a kickback while using the EPD, remove the disc from the material being cut and allow the disc to accelerate back to cutting speed, and only then continue with the cutting process. When using the EPD disc, it is essential to follow these safety guidelines, which will also enhance your performance. Before use, inspect the disc for any damage, cracks, or signs of wear. Never use a damaged or worn disc, as it may shatter during use and cause serious injury. Use only a machine that is compatible with the size of the disc. Ensure that the disc speed is greater or equal to the maximum speed of the machine. Check that the cutting guard is in place and functioning properly. The guard will protect you from debris and fragments that may be thrown during cutting. Properly install the disc on the machine spindle and make sure the disc is securely tightened and aligned. Wear gloves and appropriate clothing that covers your hands and legs. Wear a dust mask or protective goggles and earmuffs or earplugs. Clean the work area and remove any obstacles that could interfere with safe operation. Ensure that there is adequate lighting and ventilation in the work area, and make sure there are no flammable materials nearby. Secure or hold the workpiece in place to prevent it from moving. Run the disc for a few seconds before starting to use it. During work, direct sparks and debris away from your body and others. Follow the recommended cutting technique. Apply consistent pressure and avoid using excessive force. Do not twist or bind the disc during cutting to prevent the disc from breaking or causing kickback. If the disc stops during cutting due to jamming or overload, step away from the cutting point, allow the machine to accelerate to the required speed, and continue cutting. Regularly inspect the disc and check for signs of wear or damage. Replace the disc when necessary to maintain safe and efficient operation. Thank you for your attention. Good luck.